Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good, safe and healthy at home. My dear student, I am Munish Yadav, PCT Economics from Suraj School Bhiwadi. Again here to discuss with you a very important topic from chapter 13. As we are studying chapter 13, market equilibrium under perfect competition and effects of shift in demand and supply. This is part 4. So dear student, yesterday we have completed about the shift in demand, that what happens when demand increases and decreases. It means we have completed chain effect with change in demand. Today our topic is chain effect with change in supply, shift in supply. So my dear students, what does it mean that shift in supply? Same as we discussed in case of demand. Shift in supply means either increase or decrease in supply. As in case of demand, shift in supply may means increase in supply or decrease in supply. It occurs due to change in determinants of supply and own price of the commodity remains constant. Okay, because own price of the commodity always responsible for movements in the supply curve, but shift always be occurs due to change in determinants. So there are the two parts, when supply will increase and second when supply will decrease. So let's start with the diagram. First case, how market absorb the impact of increase in supply. It means that supply will increase, this is given, then what will be happen to demand and equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity. It means जब भी सप्लाई इंक्रीज होगी तो उसका प्राइस पर क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा, इट मीन्स इक्विलिब्रियम प्राइस, एंड सेकेंडली इक्विलिब्रियम क्वांटिटी, एंड थर्डली डिमांड पर क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा. ओके, सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ डायग्राम वी कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड. yes, on the x-axis quantity is given, on the y-axis price is given. So first of all beta, we have to prepare the equilibrium point, and for the equilibrium we need demand and supply curve. Simple two lines. Okay, supply curve always be positive, upward, because there is a positive relation between price and quantity supplied. Upward and down, demand curve always be downward. Simple two cross line we have to make. Then just take the point where both point meet. So this is the point where both point meet, point E. Okay, this is the point E where both point meet. So my dear student, just in front of this point make a straight line to y-axis. This is P, P1, and downward Q, Q1. Okay, so it means P1 is our equilibrium price and Q1 is our equilibrium quantity. Now the case is increase in supply. So when supply will increase, it will shift to the forward. So S1 to S2, this is increase in supply, this is new supply curve. Now notice the point where new supply and demand is meet. This is the point where new supply and demand meet. So make a line straight on the y-axis and same on the x-axis. Okay, so what happened to the equilibrium price and quantity? Notice that point, equilibrium price P1, now it shift to P2, it means decrease, and equilibrium quantity increase from Q1 to Q2. Okay, so what is chain effect when supply increase? So where is supply? Here is E to EF, supply increase. Okay, price start decreasing, price decrease हो गया, and demand contraction in demand also. Okay, so it means there is a simple chain effect, triangular shape chain effect is there. Okay, so for the observation beta, we have to write simple points what we have discussed in the diagram, that on the x-axis quantity, on the y-axis price, DD is demand curve, S1 is old supply curve, E is a equilibrium point, OP1 is a equilibrium price, OQ1 is a equilibrium quantity. Okay, S2 is new supply curve. Okay, now when supply increase, equilibrium price decrease from OP1 to OP2, and equilibrium quantity increase from OQ1 to OQ2. Okay, and chain effect is EFK is our chain effect. Clear? So you have to write only simple points in your own words. Second, when supply decreases, in case of supply decrease, so diagram will be same almost, only supply curve will change. On the x-axis quantity, on the y-axis price. So first of all make equilibrium point. For the equilibrium we need two lines, demand downward, supply upward. Where both point meet, this is our equilibrium price OP1 and this is our equilibrium quantity OQ1. Okay, so now अब सप्लाई आपको क्या करनी है बेटा, डिक्रीज. सो नाउ डिक्रीज द सप्लाई, सो शिफ्ट द सप्लाई कर्व बैकवर्ड. Now notice the point where new supply curve tangent to the demand curve at K point. Okay, so now make price line and quantity. Okay, so what we notice that when supply decreases, equilibrium price increase from OP1 to OP2. equilibrium price हमारा बढ़ गया. Okay, and equilibrium quantity start decreasing OQ1 to OQ2. इट मीन्स ये क्या हो गई है, डिक्रीज हो गई है. एंड फॉर द चेन इफेक्ट यू हैव टू शो ट्राइंगल. सो हमें इक्विलिब्रियम लाइन को ही आगे बढ़ाना है. ई टू, इट मीन्स ओल्ड सप्लाई कर्व टू न्यू सप्लाई कर्व एंड डिमांड कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड this is price increasing. This is the triangle. So my dear student, I hope you understand the point. Today we discuss about shift in supply. In both case, increase in supply and decrease in supply. So my dear student, do all the question, discuss question in your fair notebook with observation and prepare the diagram very neat and clean manner. And beta, for the doubts you can call me and send messages also, as I told you, on the regular basis. So be steady, be healthy at home, stay safe.